Let's edit and manage shape connectors in Enterprise Modeling and Visualization. In the main navigation menu, click on Enterprise Modeling and Visualization. Select the relevant diagram from the list. Select a connector between two shapes. A toolbar appears above the connector. You can set the connector line to be solid, dashed, or dotted using the line style option. You can customize the arrowhead style at the start and finish of the connector by selecting the start arrow and end arrow options. To reverse the connector orientation, utilize the swap direction to switch the left and right sides. To add a BPMN message flow decorator icon to the connector, use the designated icon. Select the label option to apply a text label to the connector. When both connected shapes are ArchiMate shapes, the toolbar shows different options. Within the relationship type dropdown, users can find the standard ArchiMate relationship types. Use the swap direction option to reverse the connector orientation, switching the left and right sides. Select the label option to apply a text label to the connector.